If you've been playing games on the same controller for a while, you may notice that the button inputs aren't as precise or accurate, or perhaps you have some stick drift going on in the joysticks. In this video right here, I'm going to show you a simple program that's going to detect any input problems or any drift within your controller. This way you know if you need to clean, repair, or replace your controller. The program we're about to use can work on brand new generational controllers that are wireless, as well as some older controllers. You just got to make sure that the controller you want to check can be plugged into a computer. For example, I'm going to use my PS5 controller. Going to plug a USB cable into it, then take that cable and plug it into my computer. Next, I'm going to head over to gamepad-tester.com. From here, turn on your controller, till the program recognizes your controller. Once detected, you will immediately see if there's any issues going on with your controller, like buttons that are sticking or unresponsive, to drift that's inherent within the joysticks of the controller. Let's talk about buttons for just a quick moment, represented on the left side of the page. Cycle through all the buttons numerous times to see if they are responsive. If you have buttons that are unresponsive or sticking, this generally means a few things. For the ones that are sticking, you can probably get away with just cleaning your controller on the button sides with isopropyl alcohol to make sure it cleans up all the stickiness and residue that's left behind. If they're unresponsive completely, this generally means you're gonna have to repair or replace your controller. When it comes to the joysticks, represented on the bottom left-hand corner by the circles, go through all 360 degrees on both joysticks to see if they're responsive or if they have any stick drift, which will be represented by the axis chart right above. If you notice that your circles are pulling away from the center, this generally means that you have some form of inherent stick drift going on. If it's just a little bit that snaps back and forth, generally this can be fixed because you have dust or hair that's lying around the joystick center that can be cleaned with canned air or putting a little pressure around the joysticks to work it off and out. If the center of your circles are pulling further away and sticking a little bit, this generally means you have dirt, grime, or a sticky substance that's stuck near the joystick or even underneath it. You can work this out generally with isopropyl alcohol and wiping it clean to fix this issue. If you have something that's slamming super hard to one side or the other and staying there, like you see here on screen, which was caused by me dropping my controller, you're a little bit more out of luck because you broke something on the inside that's not working well with the joystick, which generally means you have to fix, repair, or replace the controller entirely. If you use this platform here and you're having issues with button input, latency, sticking, or stick drift, and you need to know easy and fast ways to fix those, I have a video coming out on that. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in the next video shortly. Take care, and of course, peace.